My ridiculous outfit doesn't tell you anything. We are off to Animal Kingdom today.
Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. Come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time. Like a dream coming alive. We live for moments like this. Come alive in moments like this.
We're at Animal Kingdom today.
Yes, we have just arrived really. We're at the bus terminal.
We haven't entered the entrance yet.
We have come into Festival of the Lion King for the second time, but this will be the first time we've seen it. I think the disabled access here that Disney have is not, it's like, it's a bit crap.
It's at the back of every show.
Yeah, or it's on the ground level, and then they have like 3 or 4 people on the ground level, so they all block each other's view. So, but we split off from the wheelchair crew this time, and we've come further up. Can you still see safely? Yes, I can see. Can you? Jaden will be able to see, but he's too busy looking at his phone. Our kids have kids in front of them, so I think we're good, aren't we? And then from here, I think we can ride Flights of Passage, can we?
But we're doing things by area.
Doing things by area, so we're not doing Flights of Passage, even though we could get on it twice today. We shall see what happens.
Welcome! We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King.
What did you think of the Lion King show, Danny?
Being in the theatre twice to see it at once, I did probably enjoy it though. I did.
I think the 2 girls in front of me knew the woman who was doing the giraffe section.
Oh, did she?
Because they kept like waving at her, like trying to get her attention. And then they only recorded her singing.
Oh.
They didn't record anything else. And I also don't think their scar hits the mark.
I was gonna say, in 2017 I remember leaving that show absolutely wild. Now I don't know if it's because I've been and seen other Lion King performances since then, but or if it's because it took COVID when they recast them, if they all got their jobs back. But I don't think they're the same singers.
I don't know. All of them are good, and I think all of them are the same singers except for Scar. I don't think he can sing in the key that Scar from the movie sings, and so it's like kind of a different version of the song, and it's not hitting the same.
Are as wet as a wood-old backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions. The lights are not all on its stairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can be caught unawares. So prepare for the chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shining new era is tiptoeing nearer, and there to be featured. Just to listen to teacher, I know
he's still very, very good.
He's a good singer. He's just not singing it like the Lion King version of it. I don't know if it's like not as low or slower. I don't know, but it's just not the same. It's just not. And that's the only like comment that I can give to. Like everybody else is like phenomenal. Like, and he's a good singer, but just not the same. We are in Pandora now, and we are in a DAS line or DAS line for flights of passage, so we're gonna go ride that quickly, and I think we're gonna try and get Na'vi, but we are coming back to Pandora because we like to ride flights of passage twice because it is the best ride in Disney World. And
That'd be the best ride in the world.
if we don't get Na'vi River Journey done now, we will get it done later. So we've got a lot to get through, and our rule for today is don't stop even though we've already stopped once. Him to go to the toilet.
Jaden was the one having a poop.
Holding on to the hand grips and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer sentados, inclinarse hacia adelante agarrando las barras y supervisen a sus niños.
Are you ready, Sophie? Are you ready? We are about to go on an RV river journey. Shiva, go! I thought animal print was the theme of the day, but it appears that speed is the theme of the day, doesn't it, Sophie? Hmm?
It does indeed. We may slow down, but we must not stop. We've got things to get done today. This is our last full day in Animal Kingdom. It's our pace.
I don't even want to think about it. It's horrible.
And we're just getting everything done that we didn't do. I think we didn't do a lot.
Siblings is ready to present their show. It's tough to be us.
Look at her, she's a feisty one. Turn around, give us some claws, Sophie. Turn around, give us some claws. Doesn't she look lovely in her outfit though? Apart from her prison slippers.
They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya!
Oh gosh.
We are on the train.
Yes.
Heading to Rafiki's Planet Watch
Yes.
We are on the plane.
to hopefully get a different drawing than Bruce.
Yes.
I'm told it is the dragon from Mulan. Mushu, the dragon from Mulan, or Dante, who we don't really know who it is.
He's the hyena from the Lion King.
But we're guessing it's the hyena from the Lion King. Danny's just come off Cali River Rapids.
Yes, which I took the footage on my phone, so I do apologise if it is not great, and I will have to remember to send it to Sophie. You'll be fine, look at this. Yeah. Oh, so you get to?
We've got an hour, just over an hour until the little bird show, which we keep missing and we're hoping to do. So we're hoping to just jump on over there, draw, and then jump on back.
Yeah, without walking
and
to
do,
waste any time.
do the bird show.
And you go to meet Rafiki, Sophie?
Did we meet Rafiki last time?
I have no idea.
Or did we meet? Who did we meet last time?
Was it Timon?
I don't know.
There was someone. Thank you. Alright then.
Alright, we're all with the group. We're good.
Mom, they changed
Hi, friends. Are you excited to draw someone new, Sophie?
Who are we drawing, Danny?
We are drawing Mushu.
Mushu.
And do you know what movie Mushu is from?
I have got Mushu on my island.
Have you?
Yes. He is level 4 in Disney Dreamlight Valley.
Look at that.
So what movie did you
We've made a family WhatsApp group to send all the holiday photos in. So I'm trying to get mine sent because I've got loads.
Sophie can also do something rather funky with our camera, where she actually syncs up the camera to the phone and airdrops herself pictures.
Haven't done that though this whole day. I'm not gonna do that. I'm too tired when I get back, so I just go straight to sleep. And when I get home, I'll sort out all the photos and I'll sort out all the videos.
Look at her hair today.
Everybody's commenting on my hair today. All I did was not wash it. Just
If I didn't make that over as about.
took it out, took the braids out.
Pretty.
Top of the stars, never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this, we come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming alive. We live for moments like this, we come alive in moments.
This is it. You colored a sheet, did you? That's very good.
I got the regular one. And I stole crayons. So I saw the sheet and I was like, fire, dead body, blood, head, perfect. Perfect combo.
Let's see it then, Sophie Gale.
That's Jaden's.
That's Jaden's. Yeah, and yours?
That's mine. I did go a bit wrong on the chin. I didn't like that he was left-handed and he was covering up the whole page, so I couldn't catch up quickly. Yours is a bit cross-eyed, isn't it?
Mine's just a bit crap.
Leaving behind lots of promises. When you got child,
Everybody say yeah!
words can't say what my heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for.
Holiday has taken a bit of an unexpected slash expected turn.
Well, it was one or the other, wasn't it?
Yes. We wanted the other. This is we can't.
We were deciding whether to eat in Animal Kingdom Rainforest Cafe or jump the bus to Disney Springs Rainforest Cafe, and then fate decided for us because the Rainforest Cafe in Animal Kingdom was closed.
I know.
It just wasn't meant to be.
I don't know when we last actually vlogged.
I just said that.
So yeah, I don't know when we last actually vlogged, so as I catch everything up. We have been to Kilimanjaro. We have done.
We did loads of shows.
We have done
We did the Raven show.
Pandora again. Flight of Passage.
That's all we did.
Mum has bought some decorations,
Of course.
and then we are here.
We got on the bus to Saratoga Springs, and
Yeah.
now we're walking the walkway to Disney Springs, which is right there.
Yeah, it's this in the distance, which is a lot closer than it appears on camera. A lot closer than it appears on camera.
And they were like, it's a 10-20 minute walk. This one was good there. And then stupid little boats getting across the now. Snakes in the water. That's because the baby.
Mr. VIP flashed his card and got our wait from 90 minutes down to 30. What's that say about that? Look. Do you like these, do you? All cheap tacky crap, is it? Are you ready for some food, Chris? Are you ready for some food, babe?
I'm starving, actually.
I do think it's better themed than the one in Animal Kingdom.
It's the same.
This is Jaden's food. This is Sophie's food.
Was you expecting it to be so big?
This is Kyan's. And Diane's. And then they brought me this. Oh my. Oh my. So we're going to end the vlog here. As you can see, we went back to the hotel and fell straight asleep. Though we will see you again tomorrow for our final day in Universal. Bye.